welcome back to Video Wizard, and today I'm going to show you how to rotate video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so I have my video. The very first thing I'm going to do, head over into Effects, find Transform, and just drag and drop that. Okay, the very next thing, head up into Effect Controls, of course make sure this is selected, and you'll see there is a rotation option in Motion. Okay, I want you to ignore that. I want you to scroll down to Transform and use this rotation option instead. Make sure you're at the beginning of your clip. Press the little stopwatch. Okay, what that is going to do is create a keyframe or a starting point, I guess you can say. Now, go to near the end of your clip and put in the rotation you want. I'm going to sort of go for 26. Yeah, that'd be fine. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have all of this black stuff in the background. Just adjust the scale until that's all gone. Okay, just like that. And then, head to the beginning of the video. As you can see, the video is rotating as it's going along. Okay? It is literally that easy. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.